Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change font in your Instagram bio. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, my bio is in normal font and I want to change that. So to do that, I'm gonna open my web browser, which is Safari, and open igfonts.io. So you will be directed to a site where you can copy texts in fancy fonts. So in here, just type the text that you want to use in your Instagram bio. And when you scroll down, feel free to explore the wide range of fonts available and choose the one that you like the most. So just highlight your selected font and choose copy. Now head over to your Instagram profile and select edit profile and navigate to bio and remove the existing text. Paste the copied text with the new font and then tap add and you're done. That's how easy it is to change the font in your Instagram bio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!